Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this little 5-door Volkswagen Up, finished in blueberry metallic. It's the move up model, so it's in the middle of the up range. It includes your alloy wheels as well as DAB radio and Bluetooth. You'll get a full 2-year warranty with this car, as well as a full 142 point check and 2 years roadside assistance, so you've got plenty of peace of mind with it. I'll show you inside the car and I'll tell you a few benefits about the Volkswagen Approved Use scheme. It's a really smart little car. It would make a perfect first car or just a town and city car. So as you can see, you've got your DAB radio in the middle there. You've also got Bluetooth connection if you'd like to use that. I'll just turn it on for you now. See, it's all right. We'll obviously put some fuel in it for you and give it our full 142 point check. You can see it's done 49,099 miles. That's a 17 plate. Got your cup holder, 12 volt tyre pressure. And you've got your 5-speed manual gearbox. Manual handbrake as well. Just the cloth seats in grey. You've got the dash in the cube style. Quite nice looking. Then we'll have your full service history and everything like that in the service book. Got your light control unit there. And overall it's just really simple and easy to use little car. So we'll give it a full check over for you, checking everything from the fluids to the engine to the tyres to make sure that everything's in full working order. If you do notice any damage or wear and tear that's not typical of the age or mileage of the car, just let us know and we'll get it sorted for you. But this one is in really good condition. If you have any questions about this car or any other of our cars for that matter, please do not hesitate to contact us and we'll be very happy to help. We hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.